Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily Fluent English. I'm Priya.
And I'm Rohan. Today's topic is something we all use every day, social media.
And I'm Rohan. Today's topic is something we all use every day, social media.
Yes, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, almost everyone spends time on social media. So today we'll practice how to talk about it in English in a natural way.
Priya, how much time do you spend on social media every day?
Honestly, around 1.5 to 2 hours. I mostly use Instagram and YouTube. I watch educational videos and sometimes reels for entertainment. What about you?
I spend a little more time, maybe 2 to 3 hours. I use WhatsApp a lot for work and family. I also watch YouTube for learning and cricket highlights. Sometimes I scroll Instagram when I'm free.
Do you think social media is good or bad?
I think it depends on how we use it. If we use it for learning and connecting with people, it's good. But if we spend hours only watching reels, it can waste a lot of time.
I agree. Social media has many benefits. We can learn new things, stay connected with friends, and even find opportunities. But the negative side is that it can be addictive and sometimes affects our focus and sleep.
Yes, many people check their phones first thing in the morning and last thing at night. That is not a healthy habit.
True. I try to keep my phone away for some time in the evening so I can read or talk to my family.
That's a good idea. Let's have a natural conversation about this topic.
Okay. Rohan, which social media app do you use the most?
I use WhatsApp and YouTube the most. WhatsApp is for communication and YouTube is for learning and entertainment. What about you?
For me, it's Instagram and YouTube. I follow many English learning pages and also some motivational pages. Sometimes I make my own reels too.
That's nice. Do you think social media helps in learning English?
Yes, definitely. There are so many free lessons, podcasts, and short videos. If we follow the right accounts, social media can be a great learning tool. But we have to be careful and not get lost in entertainment only.
Exactly. I also follow some English channels. Watching short videos has improved my listening a little.
One problem I see is that many people compare their life with others on social media. They see perfect photos and feel their own life is not good enough.
Yes, that's a big issue. We should remember that most people only show the best parts of their life online. Real life is different.
So, what's your advice for using social media in a better way?
My advice is simple. Set a time limit. Use it for learning and connecting with real people. And don't forget to spend time offline with family and friends.
I agree. Also, unfollow accounts that make you feel negative and follow accounts that inspire or teach you something useful.
Perfect. Friends, social media is a powerful tool. It can help us grow or it can waste our time. The choice is ours.
Now we have a small challenge for you. In the comments, answer these 2 questions. Which social media app do you use the most? How does social media help or affect your life? Write 4 to 5 lines. We will read your answers and help you improve your English.
Yes, please try it. Practicing in the comments is a great way to improve.
Thank you so much for watching Daily Fluent English. If you like this episode, please like, share, and subscribe.
Keep using social media wisely and keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.